Hello and welcome to Magnum RV in Montrose, Virginia. We have a very nice travel trailer here today, so don't miss out on this affordable 2009 Keystone Passport 285 RL. That includes one slide. This camper is clean and has a great floor plan. You'll notice the two entrances. This one has a front bedroom with rear living. And once we go around the unit and go inside, you'll notice how nice the back is with that extra large window. So if you get that nice back end camper spot that has the view, this is the unit you're going to want to be in looking out. Walk around it here. Got storage. Got a nice diamond plate in the front, protect it. All of our hookups. Exterior shower, awning over the slide, here's this nice extra large window. It also offers, of course, the shades for nobody's peeking in. Our entrance here. This is the living room entrance. Then we have our front bedroom entrance. If you want to go ahead and step out of the bedroom without waking anybody up, this is perfect. As we step in, you notice that extra large window, tons of storage above it, and two very nice comfortable chairs right here. We're strapped in for towing. That'd be awesome. Sitting here, having your morning coffee, your evening cocktails, or whatever you prefer, reading a book. Cup holders on the sofa. It's a jackknife sofa also. Great place here to put a couple bar stools. The countertop. Very nice storage. Dinette table folds down into a bed. Flat screen TV, DVD combo. Storage all about. Kitchen. Have our microwave, our hood range, 3-burner stove, our oven. Again, lots of storage. Look at this, all the way down. Storage all the way around all the way. Just keeps going. Got our dual sink. Separate freezer, refrigerator combo. Enter the bedroom. Lots of storage here. Got our walk-around island bed. Storage all the way around it, storage underneath of it. And here's that separate exterior door. If you want to just wake up in the morning and step on outside, perfect space for it. Have our privacy curtain, fan in the bedroom, come into the bathroom, toilet, sink, tons of storage. So you get the whole countertop here for storage, and then down below it, plus lots of storage under it, and then it even has a medicine cabinet. And what's unique about this is you also get a bathtub. That's right, you get a bathtub shower combination. Hard to find these. Awesome feature. And it also has the raised skylight with the shower wand for that extra headroom and lets the light in. This is definitely one of the campers that you'd love. It's like the vacation that just keeps on giving. Use it over and over and over. Don't forget about Magnum RV. We take as much time as you need to fully explain and demonstrate all the systems on your RV. We also offer RV financing available with approved credit. We are a locally owned dealership in business for over 15 years, and all of our coaches are thoroughly checked out, serviced, and turnkey when leaving the lot. We also include a 60-day warranty on all the RV systems. Be sure to check out our website at magnumrv.com.